Nugenix capsules are dietary supplements designed for men. These supplements typically contain a blend of natural ingredients that are promoted to support overall health, energy, and vitality. It is not a medication but rather a dietary supplement, and its efficacy may vary among individuals. Nugenix capsules are dietary supplements that often contain a combination of natural ingredients such as fenugreek extract, zinc, and other compounds, which are marketed to support men's health and vitality. Their specific composition may vary depending on the manufacturer. Indications. Nugenix capsules are typically marketed as a dietary supplement that may support the following aspects of men's health: energy and vitality, muscle health, overall well-being. How to use. The dosage and usage instructions may vary depending on the specific product and brand. Typically, Nugenix capsules are taken orally with water. Follow the dose instructions provided on the product's packaging or as directed by a healthcare provider. Contraindications. Nugenix capsules are usually considered safe for most individuals. However, if you have known allergies or sensitivities to any of the ingredients, you should avoid using this product. Special instructions. Nugenix capsules are dietary supplements and should not be used as a replacement for a balanced diet or medication prescribed by a healthcare provider. Consult with a healthcare professional before using this product, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Side effects. Nugenix capsules are often marketed as natural dietary supplements and side effects are typically minimal. However, individual responses may vary and potential side effects could include gastrointestinal discomfort, reduced stomach upset, diarrhea, allergic reactions to specific ingredients. If you experience any adverse effects or have concerns about the product's use, consult with a healthcare provider.